Hi guys, welcome. So this video is regarding general aptitude. We are starting general aptitude series. If your chemistry preparation of CSIR NET is not up to the mark, this general aptitude will save you, right? So today's class is regarding ratio and proportions, right? So I'm going to discuss some questions directly. So we don't need to discuss about the concept. Along with the questions only, we will discuss the concept, right? So next thing, I'm just recording this video with my mobile phone only. So if any blur will appear, okay, just wait for a few seconds. After that, it will be cleared automatically, right? Yeah, let us start. So the first question is in this ratio and proportion. So the first question is, if x is to y is 2:4, right? Find 2x plus 3y is to 3x minus y. This is the question, right? First of all, you have to remember, whenever we are having this x is to y like this, we have to write x by y always in ratio and proportion. You have to convert this as x upon y equal to 2/4. Okay, so this is the first thing. Second, you have this one. So right here 2x plus 3y, again write like this only, 2x plus 3y upon 3x minus y. Okay, so what you have to do, you have to convert into this form, x upon y. So what I can do, so I can divide this whole equation with y. So if I divide this, 2 into x by y plus 3 into y by y by 3 into x by y minus y by y, right? Minus y by y. Okay, so if you observe, y get cancelled, y get cancelled. So 2x by y plus 3 by 3x upon y minus 1. This is the whole equation, right? This is the whole equation. Now what I have to do? Simple. I'm taking this equation, I'm just erasing this, right? So I have x by y value as 2/4. So put this value here. So if I put this 2 into, in place of x by y I can write 2/4 plus 3 over 3 into x by y, 2/4 minus 1, right? Okay, so to 2 ja 4, 2 into 1/2 plus 3 by 3 into 2/4 means 1/2 minus 1, right? 2 get cancelled, 1 plus 3 4, right? Here 3/2 minus 1, 3/2 minus 1, 3/2 minus 1 means 3 minus 2/2, 3 minus 2/2. I can write like this, 4 by 3 minus 2/2, 4 2 is 8, 3 minus 2 1, so 8/1. So the answer is 8/1. That means 8:1. So answer is 8:1. Okay, so this is how you have to do this kind of questions. Next next question. For suppose I'm asking you mean proportional, right? Mean proportional between any two numbers. Okay, whether those two numbers are decimals or whole numbers, anything. For suppose I'm asking the mean proportion between 2 and 4. Okay, so whenever I'm asking like this, what you have to do, consider this as A, this as B. Okay, the mean proportion formula, simple formula, that is root over AB. This is the mean proportion. That means root over 2 into 4, root 8. Okay, root 8. That means 2 point something, because root 9 3, so root 8 means 2.8 something, right? So this is the answer. Okay, so just remember, if examiner will ask you about the mean proportion, then you have to use this simple formula root KP. This type of questions are generally important for GATE. Okay, so next next one, find the fourth proportion. Find the fourth proportion. Find fourth proportion. Find fourth proportion to 6, 12. Okay, so what you have to do, find the fourth proportion. So you have to take some number here. So for suppose I am taking a number as x here, that is the fourth proportion. I have to calculate this. So whenever you have numbers like this, for suppose here I am having a, okay, let 2 as a, this is b, this is c, this is x. That means how I have to write, whenever they are talking about proportion, that means a is to b, this is the proportionality sign, c is to x. Okay, so put the values. So you have to remember this one, right? So whenever you have like this, so how you have to write this one? So this first term and last term, okay, these are called extremes. These two are called extremes. Okay, this second term and this third term are called mean terms. Right? Okay, so whenever I have the equation like this, okay, whenever I have four numbers like this, I'm just considering this as x, I have four numbers now. So a is to b, proportionality sign, c is to x. So how can I write this? ax equal to bc. Okay, that means the product of extremes equal to product of mean terms. So this equation you have to get, right? So put the values now. A is nothing but 2, x, b is nothing but 6 into c is nothing but 12, right? Okay, so 2x equal to 72, right? X equal to 72 by 2, that means 2 3 is 6, 2 6 is 12, so 36. So x equal to 36. That means this one is 36. This is nothing but your fourth proportion. Okay, so this is the way to do this type of questions. Next one. Next important question, compound ratio. What is that? Compound ratio. So compound ratio of 2 is to 3, 4 is to 5, 7 is to 9. Okay, so whenever examiner is asking about the compound ratio, what you have to do? Simple, you have to take 2, 4, 7 is to 3, 5, 9. What you have to do? 2, 4, 7, 3, 5, 9, alternative numbers. Okay, you have to take these products. 2, 4, 7 is to 3, 5, 9. Bus, calculate this. So you can calculate this, right? You can calculate and get the answer. Okay, just if you have the compound ratio and if you have the numbers like this, 2 is to 3, 4 is to 5, 7 is to 9, you have to do this alternative multiplication. Next one. Next one is, just wait. Okay, see, for suppose 3 persons are there, A, B, C. Okay, they are taking one taxi for a rent. They are taking, okay, one taxi or one scooter, right, for a rent. Okay, very important. This is the previous year question. Okay, carefully observe. For a rent of 2040 rupees, 2040 rupees, and used this scooter, used scooter respectively for 12 hours, 18 hours and 20 hours. Okay, so then they are asking what is the ratio of C in the total rent of the scooter. What is the ratio? What is the ratio? What is the ratio of the total rent? Total rent. So you have to find out what is the ratio of the C. What is the ratio of C? Right? What is the ratio of C in total rent of the scooter? Remember one thing here. You have the ratios, right? You have the ratios. Whether this is correct or not? Yes, it is correct. ABC taking one scooter for a rent of 2040 rupees. Okay, this is rupees, and used scooter respectively for 12 hours, 18 hours, 20 hours. Yes. So ABC. So totally the amount is 2040 rupees, right? So A used this scooter for 12 hours, right? B used the same scooter 18 hours, right? C used the same scooter as 20 hours. Okay. Now what will happen? You have to know how much this C paid, okay, in the rent. Which amount paid by the C, paid by the person C, right? So what you have to do? Simple. One here 12 hours, 18 hours, 20 hours. Take 1 hour. Okay. So 1 hour for suppose X rupees. For 1 hour to drive, X rupees paid, right? For 12 hours, 12x rupees. For 18 hours, 18x rupees. For 20 hours, 20x rupees. That means this is A, this is B, this is C, right? So this much paid. Okay. So for 12 hours, 12x rupees paid. 18 hours, 18x rupees paid. For C, 20 hours, 20x rupees paid. Clear? Now what you have to do? Simple thing. 12x plus 18x plus 20x equal to this. Yes or no? So total amount is 2040. So I can write 12x plus 18x plus 20x equal to 2040. Okay, just add this 20 plus 30, 40, 48 to 50. So 50x equal to 2040. So x equal to 2040 by 50. Okay, so if you calculate this, approximately 5204, 540, 200, 4.8. So 40.8, 40.8. This is the x value. Okay, this is the x value. So how much paid by the C? That is 20x you have to calculate, because 12x, 18x, 20x, this is for C. So 20x, 20 into x. So x value, मान लो approximately 40. Then 20 into 40, 20 into 40, 800. That means 800 rupees paid by the C. Okay. So this is the way to do this type of questions. Okay. This question is very, very important. Okay. So we will do some more questions in the next video. Right. So that's all. If you have any other doubts, please ask in the comment section. Thank you so much.